back to the Once a Week kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking a really tasty, delicious chicken stir fry, Chinese style. It's low carb, so there's no carbohydrates in it at all. So those of you who like low carb, it's very, very healthy. Hello. Right, today I'm making a chicken stir fry, Chinese style. So I'm really hungry, so it's got to be quick. So I've just spent about 10 minutes preparing these ingredients. I've got the wok on the gas ring, and I'm going to pop in a tablespoonful of sesame oil. Sesame oil is good for stir frying because it can withstand the high heat. In here I've got 2 fat garlic cloves and about an inch of grated ginger. Nice tip here, the best way to grate ginger is straight from the freezer, so that's going back in the freezer now for another day. Much easier to do it that way. I've got a small chicken breast which I've cut up finely to thin strips, so I'm going to put the garlic and ginger in the pan and the chicken. I'm going to stir fry these over a high heat. For the vegetables I'm using half a red pepper, a small sliced onion, 4 ounces of thinly sliced mushrooms and half a courgette that I had left over from the other day when I was making a vegetable stock. So for flavouring I've got some rice vinegar and some light soy sauce, which I'll add at the last minute. So I'll show you the stir fry now. Got to cook the chicken quite quickly over a high heat with the garlic and the ginger. So that'll cook in about 3 minutes. The chicken's browning now, and because it's cut thinly, it's cooked. So I'm going to chuck in the vegetables, pepper, onions, courgette, mushrooms. You can use other vegetables such as celery, finely chopped carrots, but I just use what I have in at the time. So I'm going to continue to stir fry these now for about another 3 minutes until I think everything's cooked. Everything's cooked now, but the vegetables still have a little crunch left. Serve that up, and to the pan I'm going to add the rice wine vinegar, and just to deglaze the pan with a little boiling water. Not much, but what I want to do is get out all these lovely juices from the pan. Turn the gas back on a minute to get all these lovely brown bits off. That's all flavour. And I'm going to add some soy sauce. Just a few drops. Right, there we go. I'm ready to eat. So I'm just going to pour this lovely juice over the top. full. So there's a meal for me in less than 20 minutes, including preparation time. It smells divine. Can't wait. See you later.